Very good morning, all my dear students. Hey, everyone. Just to let me know, can you hear me? Can you see me? This is your Baba HSP. Welcome, Wanakam, Suswagatam. Jo bole so nihal, Sasyakal, Walaikum Salam, Assalamu Alaikum. Everyone's, this is your Baba HSP, my dear students. But first of all, I say very good morning. Everyone, just to let me know, can you hear me? Can you see me? If yes, show me the green signal in the chat section, because from here, the distance is too much. I can't see the messages. I can't read it out. But one thing I can see very clearly, that green signal in the form of green hearts, or you can show some fire symbol, kids. If you can properly hear me, see me, if I'm properly audible and visible to all of you. Let me see the chats, whether I'm audible and visible, because today, Baba HSP is with organic chemistry basics. Very basics, but very important, which holds a hell lot of weightage. Now, one green signal I can see in the chat section. That means everything is fit and fine, my dear students. Yes, now let me see the chats also. What is there in the chat? So green signal, Hema, Sahana, oh my God, Sahana is there. Hey, Ion Furkana is there. Wow, Ion. That's really fantastic. Islamic Prize, Sahara HSP, and God, oh my God, thank you. Weekend Moringantham. This lecture, yes, more than enough for NEET, my dear students, more than enough for NEET, my dear students. It's written over here, basics. What do you understand? Basics. Basics is the backbone of organic chemistry. Let me tell you, my dear students, basics means this is really very important. But everyone, till now, if you have not smashed the like button, hit the like button, then only your Baba is going to tell you from the very starting and full on energy, my dear students, and the content will be really very good for each and everyone. Whether you are in any batch, you are preparing for your NEET or IIT even. This lecture is for you kids. This lecture is for you kids. Call everyone your friends, and remember that whatever I am going to teach, I will give number of questions based on that. If you are able to do those questions, anything you can do, my dear students, all the questions of your any exam you can do. So just make a promise that you will stay up to the last. This last doesn't mean that I'm going to take your too much time, my dear students, my kids. This is your Baba HSP. I will give the best, and I will make you understand each and everything. Just say you are ready in the form of fire. Show me some fire in the chat section. That will indicate that everyone is ready. Everyone is ready, kids. That will indicate that everyone is ready, kids, for the class. I want to see fire symbol in the chat section. That will indicate that everyone is ready. So let me start, kids. Language of chemistry. I will say the language of chemistry. Language of chemistry. Now I will start from the very beginning. I will start from the very beginning. What's that beginning, kids? That beginning means what you have studied in your class 9th and 10th. First, let me start with class 9th and 10th. You must have studied alkane, alkene, alkyne. If really you have studied alkane, alkene, alkyne, everyone write down the formula of alkane. Let me see how many of you can write the formula of alkane. Alkane, I'm writing over here. Before me, you have to write down in the chat section. Everyone, hey, everyone. So, CnH2n plus 2. Right? CnH2n plus 2. What does it mean? It means if I write C4, 4 2s are 8 plus 2, that means H10. I will write H10. Agreed? Now you will say, sir, what you are doing? We are not kids. We are in class 11th, sir, 12th, droppers. What are you doing? Kids, I will make it big. I'm starting from 0 level. I will reach up to the top. Okay? Agreed? Now CnH2n plus C4H10. That means I will write it like this: CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. You just count the carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. Hydrogen 3 to 5 to 7, 3, 10. Either if I write like this, even I can write it like this also. Then also, kids, I will get this compound. That means carbon to carbon and carbon to hydrogen, there are single bonds only. No double bond is there. When all the carbon to carbon single bonds are there, my dear friends, remember that all carbon-carbon bonds are single. Carbon-carbon bonds are single. That means, my dear friends, what? That means what? That means the compound is saturated. Saturated compound. These compounds are saturated. Say everyone, saturated. Now what do you mean by saturated? Carbon-carbon single bond is there, that means saturated. If I say carbon-carbon double bond is there, what will you say, kids? If I say carbon-carbon double bond is there, this is unsaturated. Unsaturated. What do you mean by unsaturated? Either carbon-carbon double bond or carbon-carbon triple bond. Both of these are being unsaturated. I will frame out question. After telling you even a single concept, I will frame out question based on that. So be ready. Just listen to me. I'm telling you, I'm writing the same thing. I will write down the same thing. Carbon-carbon double bond, this is known as olefin. Say everyone, olefin. And this is known as acetylenic bond. Acetylenic bond. Everyone, acetylenic bond. Olefin, acetylenic. But remember that what I'm saying, double bond in between what? Double bond in between carbon-carbon. Carbon-carbon. Remember that. Carbon-carbon or triple bond in between carbon-carbon. So are you ready for the question? Are you ready for the question? If yes, say yes. So, see the question. Here is the question, kids. Question is, which compound is unsaturated? Unsaturated. Okay, let's see. A is CH3, C triple bond N. B is CH3, C double bond O, CH3. C is CH3, CH double bond CH2. D is all of these. I'm waiting for your answer. Let me check it out in the chat section, what answer you people are giving. Let me see, kids. Everyone, Baba is waiting for your answer. Let's see how many of you can give the correct answer. Today, kids, you have to check yourself. My dear students, everyone is going for D, but my dear students, before I tell you the answer, everyone smash the like button. Kids, this is your Baba HSP. You have to show your love and respect towards Baba HSP. I want to see your likes. Then I am going to disclose the answer. I will disclose the answer just after your likes. Everyone, first of all, hit the like button. Now, Madhava Priyan. Only the answer of Madhava Priyan is correct. Rest of everyone got failed. Now see, kids. That's why I was telling you, just see it properly. What I have told you. Just see what I have told you. If you see, kids, what I have told you, then you will come to know that what C double bond C, C double bond C, then only unsaturated. And what you have done, kids, see, this is not C, C triple bond N, so this is not unsaturated. They are asking unsaturated. This is not your answer. This C double bond O, not your answer. C double bond C, this is only your answer. Got it? This is the problem. Everyone is, most often they are doing this mistake. You got your mistake, kids? Everyone just say, yes, you got your mistake. If yes, show me some fire in the chat section. You got your mistake. This question was really easy, but you got trapped. And this is the thing, in between the basics, you should know basics. Clear, kids? This is the basic, that carbon double bond carbon. So let me tell you, remember that for unsaturation, what is required? Always remember that for unsaturation, once again I'm telling you, for unsaturation, we need carbon, in between carbon, either the double or a triple bond, either double or triple bond. No other double or triple bond will be responsible for unsaturation. Clear to all of you? Clear to all of you? Is this point clear? If yes, then I will move ahead, kids. I will move ahead. Now see, the language of chemistry. Let me tell you the language of chemistry properly, kids. The CnH2n plus 2 is known as alkane. Till now you have studied like this, alkane. This is the formula of alkane. If I write CnH2n, this is known as what? This is known as what? Everyone write down in the chat section. This is known as what? Yes, do let me know. Everyone, kids, first of all, do let me know. You want to understand each and everything with the clarity. You want to get the first rank, whether it is NEET, IIT, any exam. Then everyone, kids, listen. Up to class 10th, you have studied CnH2n is what? Write down in the chat section. CnH2n means what? Everyone write down in the chat section. You have studied that CnH2n is alkene. But from now, the things will get changed. Till class 10th you have studied that CnH2n is alkene, but today you have to understand this can be either alkene or it can be, my dear students, it can be cycloalkane. Cycloalkane. Now you have to grow up. You have to grow up. This is a new thing, and today I will let you know each and everything in the chemistry. Now this is new thing. If yes, now you have to change your vision. If it is getting changed, kids, then show me some green signal. If anything you are getting new, always keep on showing green signal, kids. Baba want to understand. This is the only communication method. This is the only communication mode, my dear students, that I can get that you are getting something new. If you're getting anything new, any green signal, green hearts, green tree, whatever you want to show, whatever the emoji you are having, always keep on showing, kids. Now, cycloalkane, I will prove it, but just see to it. For example, if I have taken C4H8, C4H8. Now there are two ways I can write it down. See, one thing CH3, CH2, CH2, and CHO. Double bond, I have to place double bond, CH double bond, CH2. This is alkene. Carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. Hydrogen 3, 2, 5, 1, 6, and 2, 8. Now, I can write it like this also. CH2, 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 and CH2. This is cyclobutane. You can write it like this, or it can be written like this. Just see. So, now you have to change your vision. I will give you the formulas also for all these compounds. So see, this, otherwise you have studied this is alkene, but this is cycloalkane. This is your alkene, and this is your cycloalkane, my dear students, cycloalkane. A bit vision is getting clear. Vision, oh my God, green signal, so many green hearts. Baba is loving it. My dear students, you have shown that you love Baba. You give respect, and Baba also loves you, kids. But kids, the likes are less. Dream Dhoni, Manswini, Chandrakala, Murali, Dhoni, thank you, kids. Good going, kids. Now, I will give you the formula for each and everything, but just you have to wait. See, till now you have studied what? What you have studied? That CnH2n plus 2 is alkane. This point is clear. Always saturated. It can't be unsaturated. Always saturated. Everyone says saturated. Wherever you are seated, say saturated. Now, in this CnH2n, there are two things. If this is alkene, if this is going to be alkene, I would like to say unsaturated, because carbon double bond must be there. But if I am going to say it is like this, cycloalkane, if it is going to be cycloalkane, my dear students, it will always be saturated. There will be no double bond. Till now this is clear. Till now is it clear, kids? Yes sir, it is clear. Now see, kids, just see to it. Now just see to it. So if I write something like this, see, kids, CnH2n minus 2, till now what you have studied up to your 10th standard, what you have studied, 10th class, what you have studied. This means what? This CnH2n minus 2 means what? Write down in the chat section what you have studied. CnH2n minus 2, what it is you have studied it is alkyne. This is alkyne. Till now you have studied like this, but now I'm going to change your mindset. Just see to it. This can be your alkadine, this can be your cycloalkene, this can be your bicyclo, this can be your spiro. These many things are possible. Till now I have not used the word double bond equivalent because formula just increases the speed. Formula never tells us anything about what's happening. It is not going to give the knowledge. So formula I will tell you later on. Right now I will focus on the thing which you have studied in your class 10th standard, right? Right, kids? Kids, respond. Respond. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With CnH2n minus 2, I will explain 5 things. Then I will come to the formula. This is the language of organic chemistry. This is the language of organic chemistry. Just see. Then I will give you questions. Now, for example, if I am provided with C5, 5 to the 10 and H8, up to class 10th standard, what you have studied was that we can write CH triple bond C, CH2, CH2 and CH3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons. You can count hydrogen 1, 2, 3, 2, 5, 3, 8. It's right. Now what I have told you, I will give you number of other things. This is alkyne. I will write down alkadiene. Just see. CH2 double bond CH, CH double bond CH, CH3. Just see. This is alkadiene. Why it is alkadiene? 2 double bonds are there. That was alkyne. Let me write down. This was your alkyne. This is your alkadiene. Now what I said, I will write cycloalkene. Just see 5 carbons and see the magic. While writing the compound, while drawing the compound, I will not count hydrogen. I am not going to count hydrogen. It's a magic. Just see. Let me talk about the magic that I will not count hydrogen. No need to count hydrogens, and hydrogens will automatically get fixed. Hydrogens will automatically get fixed. Kids, see, this is the magic. You will say, sir, how it is happening? Kids, that is the thing. This is the magic. Hydrogen atoms will get balanced by themselves, will get balanced by themselves. Just see. Then after this I will give you a number of questions. Just see. 5 carbons. Just count 5 carbons. 5 carbons. Just see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and double bond. I have drawn like this. I will not count the number of hydrogens. Hydrogen will get balanced by themselves. Just count hydrogens. Just see. 1 carbon and 2 valency. 2 valency means carbons. Valency is 4. Just like Dasratha ji was having 4 sons. So the valency of carbon is 4. We are having 4 fingers. Leave this thumb. So like this, first of all, do let me know in the chat section you are getting it. But Baba is telling the language is clear, the chemistry language is clear. I am just going to see the chat section. If Language is very clear because the communication method should be very clear. Language should be very clear. English should be very, very simple. I know that no one is having English as the mother tongue. So I will speak very, very simple English. Kids, write down in the chat section if the language is clear. I want to see the chats. I will tell you each and everything, kids. I will make you super awesome. But I should know that everyone is able to understand or not, my dear students. Write down in the chat section. Very good dream. I can see kids are really awesome. Dream, very good. Muthurasan, Govindrasu, yes. Everyone fast, fast. Clear. EMI, clear. Very good. Fast, kids. I want to see everyone's comments in the chat section that everything is fit and fine. Clear. Muthurasan, clear. Now, let's see. Now, let me tell you. See, if you count number of hydrogens, so carbon is tetravalent, 4 valency. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like 4 fingers. Remember that 4 fingers in a hand. 4 tetravalent. So 2 valency is already there. 1 hydrogen, 1 more hydrogen. Carbon, 1 hydrogen, 1 more hydrogen. Carbon, 1 more hydrogen. But see here the valency of carbon is already 1, 2, 3. So I will put only 1 hydrogen. Here also the valency is 1, 1, 2 and 3. See 1, 2 and 3. So I will put 1 hydrogen. Just count hydrogen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. It's the magic or not? It's a magic or not? I have drawn here 3 types of compounds. 2 other compounds I will draw on the another page. But the magic is going on or not? The magic is going on or not? C5H8. Just see C5H8. 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 Now I will draw bicyclo. Just see bicyclo. Bicyclo means this is one cycle, 4 carbon, and this is another cycle, 5 carbons. I have taken 5 carbons, but its molecular formula will come this one only. See, let me prove. Carbon, hydrogen, hydrogen, carbon, hydrogen, hydrogen. Now this carbon's valency is already 3. 1, 2, 3. Only 1 hydrogen to make it 4. This carbon's valency is already 2. To make it 4, I have to put 2 hydrogens. Carbon valency is already 3. So to make it 4, I will put 1 more hydrogen. Just check it out. How many carbons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many hydrogen? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's a magic. It's a magic or not? This compound is known as bicyclo compound. Bicyclo. 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 Now, I will draw a spiro. Just see spiro. A, and 3 carbons. Now, 2 cycles are touching at 1 common carbon. There, 2 common carbons. Bicyclo, 2 common carbons. Here only 1 common carbon, so 2 cycles are there. Now let's see. Carbon, already 2 valencies, so 2 hydrogens. Carbon, already 2 valencies, so 2 more hydrogen. Carbon is having 4 valency, can't put any hydrogen. So how many hydrogens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's the magic. This is known as spiro compound. So what I am going to tell you, kids, that in your class 10th you have just studied that if the compound given is just wait, kids. Now, kids, before I move ahead for the questions, let me show you something. Kids, this is our Unacademy, And if you see the map, of India, everywhere you can see our centers, Unacademy centers, and take the mega, and you can inform this to your relatives or those who are in need of. Take the mega UST and get up to 90% scholarship test at Unacademy centers. Now see kids, this is the team you know very well. Ambika ma'am, the best teacher for your bio. Wasim sir, you know very well, chemistry, fantastic, awesome teacher. Even better than me, better than Baba, who has produced rank 1, rank 2, rank 3, whether I talk about NEET or IIT or AIMS. But Wasim sir, I respect Wasim sir. I respect Ambika ma'am for their knowledge, their talent kids. And Yava sir, dashing person, dashing teacher. I respect all these 3 teachers from the internal core of my heart. Kids, these are the best teachers, and that's why I'm the part of this team. Your Baba HSP, I have been teaching for the last 26 years. Done MSc in 1999, gold medalist, GATE, JRF, and then in 2005, I have cleared my MTech. My dear students, I am in this team because these 3 teachers are super awesome teachers, and you can get this batch just for rupees 5,499. Nimbus Pro, you can start your journey if you're in class 11th. If you are in droppers also, then you can join this batch because each and everything will get cleared, kids. Are you getting my point? Everyone getting my point? Now at just rupees 5,499. Now what is Phoenix Pro? It is written over here. Phoenix Pro, you are dropper in class 12th. You can join this batch. Everything is given over there, my dear friends. Now just see the Team Avengers. This Team Avengers is for class 11th, class 12th, for class droppers. And this batch is in English, but English, you know, very simple English, everyone can understand, right? My dear friends, these teachers are so awesome teachers. The confusing terms they will clear. They will clear each and everything which is confusing, which is looking idiyappam. And you will feel that, wow, nalla iriku. People, those who are thinking about chemistry, pedikar customer. If you study with Wasim sir and with me, you will say, it's romba sulvam. So all the idiyappam things, those looking like muruku, idiyappam, all they will turn out. What I'm saying, all the tough things, idiyappam means tough thing, confusing. Muruku means tough things, confusing, will come and they will look like nalla iruku means very simple. My Tamil, I have studied with you kids only. I have got this knowledge from you kids only. If I'm right, then it's fantastic. Now see kids, let's go back. So I tried a bit of Tamil kids. Just write down in the chat section. I don't know Tamil, Malayalam, Telugu, but I have tried what I have learned from students. Just do let me know in the chat section. It was okay? Was it okay, kids? Hey, my dear students, just do let me know in the chat section. Was it okay? Everyone, Baba is waiting for your comments. Do let me know. Thank you, Dhoni. Nalla iriku. Okay, fantastic. Now, let me come to all these things. Whatever till now I have taught you, kids. Let me make it more clear, kids. See, everyone, just see to it. CnH2n plus 2. And if I have written CN H2N only, what is the difference? What is the difference? In these two, what's the difference? The difference is of, just see, carbon number is same. Carbon number is same. Hydrogen, how many hydrogens are less? One molecule of hydrogen is less. H2 molecule is less. I can say one H2 molecule is less or two hydrogen atoms are less. Both means same. If I write down here CnH2n plus 2 and I write down here CnH2n minus 2, how many hydrogen molecules are less? Do let me know if you are able to understand. I'm not going to tell you formula right now. I'm focusing on the basic concept so that your organic chemistry will become super awesome. Write down in the chat section how many hydrogen molecules are less. I want to see in the chat section how many hydrogen molecules are less. Everyone. Sukhadev, love from Madhya Pradesh. Dhoni, always Tamil. My dear students, fantastic. Just to let me know how many hydrogen molecules are less. Then only you can understand what I am going to tell you, kids. Hey everyone, my dear students, tell me how many hydrogen molecules are less in the chat section. Your answer is coming. Everyone is not responding. Baba is not happy with you, kids. Everyone is not giving the answer. If very good. Some of you are giving correct answers. Now, two hydrogen molecules are less. Two H2 molecules are less. Now, how many H2 molecules, molecular, it's not molecular, molecules. Now, whatever the number of molecules are less as compared to saturated hydrocarbon, what I am saying, whatever, just listen, I will write over here. I will write over here. The number of H2 molecules less as compared to alkane is known as DBE, DU or IHD. Now you will ask, sir, what are these DBE, DU, IHD? Now I will explain it. What is the meaning of this? Just see, whatever I have explained till now, I will explain now in a better way. Just see. IHD means index of hydrogen deficiency. Hydrogen deficiency. Hydrogen deficiency. Now you understand deficiency word means what? If somebody is having deficiency disease, that means what? Kids, do let me know. You have to cooperate, then only you can understand. Otherwise you can't understand. That deficiency means something less. Deficiency means something less or not. This word means something less. So who is less? Something less means hydrogen molecule is less. H2 molecule is less. H2 molecule is less. Now whatever the H2 molecules are lesser, that will come out the DB. Now I will tell you the formula. Till now I have told you in detail. Now I will tell you this thing with the help of formula. The formula is, just see, the formula is, if I write CXHY, where X is number of carbon atoms, X is equal to number of carbon atoms, and Y is equal to number of hydrogen atoms. Right, kids? Then the formula of IHD will be equal to X plus 1 minus Y by 2, and I will prove it. This formula I am going to prove, kids. Right? Just wait and watch. This formula Baba is going to prove. See, if I write C4H10, one thing. If I write C4H8, another thing. C4H6. Now see their IHD. IHD will be X plus 1, 4 plus 1 minus Y by 2, 10 by 2. That means 5 minus 5, 0. Here IHD will come 4 plus 1 minus 8 by 2. That is 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Here it will come out 4 plus 1 minus 6 by 2. That is 5 minus 3. That is 2. Now kids, see. There we have studied that this was alkane, this was alkene, this was alkyne. But till now, see, the same thing is coming out from the formula, whatever we have studied. Are you getting my point, everyone? Now, what these things will indicate? What knowledge we will get from 0, from 1, from 2? The knowledge we will get if IHD, whether I say IHD, index of hydrogen deficiency, or I can say DBE. What do you mean by DBE, kids? Double bond equivalent. Double bond equivalent. Equivalent. What is the meaning of DU? DU means degree of unsaturation. Degree of unsaturation. All they mean same. Now I will give you question. If you are able to understand, then I will tell you what is the meaning of IHD. But first of all, you should know how to calculate. So question number 1. Are you ready? Is everyone ready? Question number 1. Calculate DBE in. So I will give you options also. First is C6H6. So option number 1, 1B, 2C, 3 and D 4. Write down in the chat section. For C6H6, what is a DB? Then I will tell you the meaning of it. Everyone, do let me know in the chat section. Fast. I'm waiting for your response, kids. Everyone, do let me know. What's your answer? Sahana, thank you. Everyone, do let me know the answer in the chat section. Fast, 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 kids. Everyone, fast. Kids, I am waiting for your answer. Do let me know the answer. Gagana 4, Dhoni D. Very good. D is the correct answer. Now D is the correct answer. Absolutely correct. Now how this is the correct answer? Just see C6H6. First I will do with the formula, then I will do manually. The formula, if I apply the formula for DB, it will come out X plus 1 minus Y by 2. That is X is 6 plus 1 minus 6 by 2, that is 7 minus 3, that is 4. Now I will do it manually. This is the formula wise. Now its parent hydrocarbon will be C6, 6 2 ja 12 and 14. Now if you subtract 6, carbon is same, but 14 minus 6, 14 minus 6 means how much? This will come out 8. 8 hydrogen atoms, or I can write down 4 H2 molecules. From here also the same answer you will get. This is manually and that is formula wise. Now I'm going to give another question, right? Just see what answer you are going to get. Question is, calculate double bond equivalent for C8H8. Yes, C8H8. Option first, A, B, C, D. Let me write down 5, 4, 3, 2. Let me see in the chat section who is going to give the answer. Who is coming first for giving answer? Let me check it out. Hey everyone. This time what's your answer? Fast, fast kids, fast. I want to see who is going to give the correct answer, kids. Baba is waiting. Narayan Das, Girija Kumari A. Very good. Sahana A. Very good. Hema A. Fantastic kids. Fantastic. A is the correct answer. Now let's see how 8 plus 1 minus 8 by 2, that is going to come out, it's DBE. Now 8 plus 1 is 9 minus 4 is 5. This was the calculation of DBE when only carbon and hydrogen is given from molecular formula. Now see kids, remember that DBE calculation is done by two methods. DBE calculation is done by two methods. From given molecular formula and now this molecular formula can be of three types. What's that? It can be CXHY, it can be CXHYOZ. Their DB calculation formula is same, but if the compound is having CXHYOZ, nitrogen A, halogen B, this is very lengthy one, but I will tell you how to calculate this one also. Now these two will have same formula. Let me prove it. Why oxygen, if it is present or it is absent, it is not going to make any difference, but they will change. But let me tell you, there is one more formula for DB calculation, that is DBE calculation from structural formula. Everyone call your friends. Students are less, but I want to see more students. Then I will give number of questions and then you have to check your score also, kids. Now let me focus on these formulas first. Now see, if I am telling you, kids, that CXHY or CXHYOZ, they will not make any difference. Their formula is same. See why? If I write down C2H6O and if I write down C2H6 only, both will have same dB, that is dB is equal to x plus 1 minus y by 2. So 3 minus 3, that is 0. Now you will say, sir, how will you prove it? See, I can prove it. This is the compound which is saturated, C3CH2OH, ethyl alcohol. And this is the compound, this is also saturated. So what knowledge you are getting when the dB is 0? What knowledge you are getting? The knowledge we are getting that compound will always be saturated. Compound will always be saturated, will always be saturated, and it can't be cyclic, and can't be cyclic. It can't be cyclic. This knowledge we are getting when the dB is 0. If this point is clear, then show me some green hearts, green signal in the chat section. If this point is clear, kids, if this point is clear to each and everyone, then show some green hearts, kids. Everyone, if this point is clear, then I will give you questions. Now, if the molecular formula is given like this, CXHYOZ and nitrogen A and halogen B, or their family members, or their family members. Family members means group, belongs to the same group. Now see, kids, then we will write down for dB x plus 1, this will remain same, minus P by 2. Now what is this P by 2? P we have to calculate. P is equal to number of halogen atoms plus number of hydrogen atoms minus gets minus number of nitrogen atoms. Now this you can calculate and you can find out the dB, kids, right? Now let me tell you, kids, how to calculate dB from the structural formula. Just see, calculation of dB from structural formula, kids. Just see, calculation of dB from structural formula. Are you ready, kids? Everyone, just to let me know, is everyone ready? Everyone able to understand? If yes, then tell me yes, we are getting it. Now see, kids, calculation of dB from structural formula. Ready, kids? So dBE will be equal to number of cycles plus number of pi bonds. Number of cycles plus number of pi bonds, kids. Number of cycles plus number of pi bonds. Now let's apply and understand how to apply this formula. Just remember number of cycles plus number of pi bonds. Everyone ready? Number of cycles plus number of pi bond. Just see how to apply this formula. If I say kids, this is the compound CH3, CH, double bond CH, CH3. Just see, one pi bond is there, number of cycles 0. So DBE will come out 0 plus 1 pi bond. This is known as pi bond. So 0 plus 1, answer is 1. Now you will ask, sir, how to understand what is pi bond, what is sigma bond? Let me tell you kids. Let me tell you kids. Just see. If there are two atoms and there is single bond in between two atoms, single bond in between two atoms, that is always sigma bond. Sigma bond. Now if I say other than 1, it can be like this, it can be like this. So you can see one is sigma, another one is pi bond. So one is sigma, two are pi bonds. Got it? So if I say kids, here is one compound CCH, H, all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sigma bonds. If I say here CH2, double bond CH2, so these 5 are being sigma, 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 sigma and sigma. So 5 sigma and 1 pi bond. Now if I draw compound like this, CH triple bond CH, so sigma, sigma, sigma and 2 pi bonds, 3 sigma and 2 pi bonds. Clear to all of you? If this is clear, show me some green hearts, kids. Green hearts, then I can tell you I hate kids. Then you can calculate DB. If sigma and pi are clear, kids. Shrutika, welcome. There must be number of students who will try to distract you, who will try to divert you, kids. What? Always, whenever anyone is spamming, you show green hearts, then they will run away. Whenever anyone is trying spamming, you can increase your speed of showing green hearts, then they will run away. Either you can show green hearts or you can show fire, whatever, then definitely they will run away. Whenever anyone is trying to show some spamming is going on, then you can increase your chat of showing fire or green hearts. Now see, kids, if I tell you, kids, that this is the compound given, see, kids, 1, another compound like this, another compound like this, and another compound like this. This is also written like this. Now, there are 1, 2, 3 and 4 compounds. We are supposed to calculate their DB. Just see. In this compound, if I say number of cycles, 1 cycle, no pi bond, so 1 plus 0, so its DB will come out 1. Here 1 cycle plus 1 pi bond, so DB will come out 2. After this I will give you questions. 1 cycle plus 2 pi bonds, so 3, and 1 cycle plus 3 pi bonds, so 4. Now, is it clear? Till now it's clear, kids. Now see, let me give you one question. Question is, find out DBE or IHD or DU in the following, right? So compound is given like this. I will give you the options also, right, kids? A and B. So options are option A, 7 and 7 respectively, B, 7 and 8 respectively, C, 8 and 8 respectively, D, none of these. So Baba is waiting for your answer. Let's see who is going to give answer correctly and who is coming first to give the answer. Let me check it out, kids. Who is going to get the first rank? Gagana is going for A, Sahana 1, everyone is going to go for 1, kids. Now let's see who is going to give the correct answer. Now my dear students, everyone got failed. Everyone got failed. Everyone got failed. Let me tell you why. The correct answer is B. Should I tell you how? In the first, 1 ring, 2 ring. 2 rings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pi bonds, right? So 5 plus 2, 7. Its DB is 7. But see this compound, if you write, it is like this. See, kids, the 2 rings are separated. This ring here, this ring, both the rings are fused. These 2 rings are fused here. But there, 2 rings are, say, 2 rings are not fused. Not fused, so it means 1 ring, 3 pi bonds. 1 plus 3, 4, 1 plus 3, 4. So 4 plus 4, 8. Everyone clear, kids? Is it clear? Is it clear, kids? Just to let me know, everyone got trapped in this. But if it is clear now, just do let me know. And if you want more questions, then do let me know. Sukhdev, Shrutika, yes, Gagana, now you got it. If you understood, show me some green signal, kids. So I will give you another question where you will get trapped. Where you will get trapped, definitely. Okay, now I'm going to give you another question. Just see. Question is, calculate DBE in calculate DBE in phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein structure is like this. This is phenolphthalein, an acid-base indicator. Used in titration. Now the options are (14, 13, 10, 20). Now I'm waiting for your answer. Let me see, let me check it out. What answer you are going to get, kids? Gagana is going for A, B for Bombay, Dream is going for B. Kids, it's your time. Just tell me what answer. Girija Kumari is going for A, Narayan Das is going for A. Who is going to give the correct answer? Baba is waiting for your answer, kids. Baba is waiting for your answer. Okay, Chaitanya. So let's see who is going to give correct answer. The correct answer is, kids, correct answer is 14. A is the correct answer. A. Now see why. If you see, this is benzene. Either you write it like this or you write it like this. Its dB is 4. So see, kids, if I talk about this much is 4 dB, this much is 4 dB, this one is also 4 dB. So 4 3s are 12. Now 1 pi bond, and this is also one cycle. Just consider, maximum people, they are doing mistake at this place. This is also one cycle. So to see this cycle, you have to see to it. So this is also one cycle. So 1 dB for this. So 12 plus 2 will come out 14 dB. Is it clear? So 14 is the correct answer. How many of you got it? How many of you got your mistake, kids? Do let me know. How many of you are able to understand your mistake? Now, let me explain what information you are getting from the DBE. Information. What information? Given by DBE. Remember that, my dear friends. If DBE is 1. Compound can be alkene, possible alkene. Possibilities, compound is cycloalkane. This will be unsaturated and this will be saturated. Now my dear friends, if DB is coming out 2, that means compound can be alkyne, compound can be alkadiene, compound can be cycloalkene, compound can be bicyclo, compound can be spiro. These many possibilities are there, kids. Now if you say if DB is 0, if DB is coming out 0, kids, that means can't be alkene or it can't be alkyne or it can't be cyclic. It will be only alkane. Alkane, it will be only alkane. Now, should I give you question after telling you this much? If yes, just write down you need question. Everyone do let me know. If you want question based on this, then Baba will give you question. So, just see. Everyone just see question. Question is, for compound with molecular formula C4H8, which is not possible, So option A, butene. Option B, cyclobutane. Option C, butane. Option D, butene. So write down the answer, kids. I'm waiting for your answer. Which option you will go for? Which option? You will mark which option, kids. Everyone do let me know. Baba is waiting for your answer. Do let me know what's your answer, kids. Let's see who is going to give first answer, the correct answer. First correct answer will be given by whom? Baba is waiting for your answer, kids. Fast, fast, fast. Fast, fast. Now, kids, I will take this class just for 10 more minutes. Sham my notes. Best book, there is no best book, only my notes will work. Dream is going for 3. Very good, Dream. That's the perfect answer. That's a perfect answer. Very good, Dream. Your answer is absolutely correct. Now see kids how to give the correct answer. C4H8, for this calculate DBE. X plus 1 minus y by 2. 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4, so DB is 1. So it can be alkene. Just see but-1ene. It can be cyclobutane. Cyclobutane. It can't be butane. If you draw butane, see kids, its molecular formula will get changed. C4 H1 2 3 and 3 6. It will be different. Molecular formula was given C4H8. So this is your answer kids. Now if you see but-2ene, this is possible. So this is possible kids. Clear to all of you? Is it clear? Everyone, is it clear? Now I'm going to give another question. Question is, whose molecular formula doesn't match with CH triple bond C, CH2, CH2, CH3. So A, B, C, CH2 double bond CH, CH2, CH double bond CH2. Let's see this question's answer. Who is going to give? This is really great question kids. And how much time will you take to give the answer of this question? Let's see kids. How much time you are going to take? Let me check it out kids. Who is going to give the correct answer? And how much time you will take to give the correct answer? Everyone, do let me know kids. Fast, fast. Sukhdev, Chaitanya, D option. D, you kids are really awesome. How do you know this much? Your answer is perfectly correct kids. I have become your fan. Now see, 1 carbon, 2 carbon, 3 carbon, 4 carbon, 5 carbon and DB is 2. So just remember 5 carbon and DB 2. No need to count hydrogens. You can do this answer. Now how many carbon? 4, 5 and DB is coming 2. How the DB is coming 2? 2 rings. So DB is 2. So this is with this molecular formula 1, 2. 2 rings and carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So its DB is also 2 kids. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbon and DB. DB is 2. But here 5 carbon, 1 ring and 2 pi bonds. So DB is coming out 3. So this can't match with that molecular formula. So what information we are getting from here? If D is different, then their molecular formula will be different. So remember that, this note, very, very important note. What is the note, kids? If DB is different, then molecular formula will be different. And if molecular formula is different, then later on you will study they can't be the isomer. If DB is different, then they can't be isomers. This is the main thing coming out from DBE. Kids, are you getting my point? Everyone, are you getting my point? Now see, once this is clear, now just calculate DBE in this. Question is DBE or DU or IHD for cubane. How cubane look like? Cubane will look like this. See, kids. This is cubane. So let me give you options. Option A 6, option B 5, option C 4, option D 3. I'm waiting for your answer. Let me see what answer people are going to give. So I'm waiting for your answers, kids, and hit the like button, kids. Till now, if you're not, smash the like button. Everyone do that. Dream is going for 1. Let me check it out. What other students? Kids, fast, make it out fast, everyone. Your Baba is waiting for your answer, kids. Let's see who is going to get the correct answer. Everyone is going for first option. So remember that if you are going to give this answer, your teacher will give you big 0 because the correct answer is 5. Now, 99% people are getting trapped over here. 99% people get trapped in this. Now see, kids, it's looking like 6. It is, you're counting again and again. Now how to give the correct answer for this question? Always see, this is carbon. Already it is having 1 valency, 2nd valency and 3rd valency. Can you see? Only 1 hydrogen is there. Now how many carbons are there? There is no carbon. There is, whenever there is cut, no carbon. So you can see 8 carbons are there. So for 8 carbons you have to apply how many hydrogens? Definitely 8 carbons, 8 hydrogens are there. So the molecular formula will come out C8H8. This is the best way, nicest way. So 8 DBE will come out X plus 1 minus Y by 2. So 9 minus 4, it will come out 5. Clear, kids? So 5 is the correct answer. How many of you got it? You have to solve such type of questions with the molecular formula. Never go with the structure formula. Yes, you are right, Sahana. Very good. Very good. Absolutely correct. I would like to say absolutely correct. Now, kids, once the DB is clear, let me tell you very small thing like how to see 1 degree carbon, 2 degree carbon, 3 degree carbon. If you say that, only I will take for that 10 to 20 minutes to tell you how to find out types of carbons. Types of carbons, if you are able to understand types of carbons, then you can understand very easily types of hydrogens. See, the first point I would like to say, carbon attached to one more carbon. Remember that what I have written, otherwise you will get trapped. One more carbon, remember that, or no other carbon. Is known as primary carbon. And hydrogen attached to this hydrogen or hydrogens attached known as primary hydrogens, right? So have you seen, kids? Have you seen? Then I will give you a question. I will give you one question based on this. If you have seen, just to let me know. Have you seen? Everyone do let me know. Let's see. Let me move here. Have you seen? Have you read it? Have you read it? Now see. If yes, then I will give you question based on this. See. Question is, find out number of 1 degree hydrogens in the following. Okay. So it's like this: CH3 O CH2 C triple bond N. So I will not give you the options. You have to write down in the chat section. Let's see how many of you can find out primary hydrogens. And primary hydrogens as well as primary carbons. Let's see the sum. Let's make out integer type. Primary carbons is equal to X. Primary hydrogens is equal to Y. Then sum of X and Y is equal to Z. What is Z? You have to find out Z. find out Z, kids. Let's see who is going to give the correct answer. Find out value of Z. Let's see, kids. Thank you, Sahana. Thank you, Sukhdev, Chaitanya. Let's see who is going to give the correct answer for this. And everyone is smash the like button, kids. Make it 50. Make it out 50 at least. It's 45, kids. I'm waiting for your answer. Baba is just waiting for your answer, kids. Two carbon, one carbon and two hydrogen. One carbon, and Gagana is saying one carbon and two hydrogen. Others, do let me know. Sukadev, Chaitanya, 2 carbon, 2 hydrogen. Now let's see what should be the correct answer. Just see. This carbon is attached with no carbon, so it is 1 degree carbon. Am I right? Am I right, kids? Do let me know. This is 1 degree carbon. 1 degree carbon. So this carbon is attached with only one carbon. This side oxygen, but only one carbon. So this is also 1 degree carbon. Am I right, kids? Now this carbon is attached only with one carbon. So this is also 1 degree carbon. So how many 1 degree carbon? 1, 2, 3. So the value of X is coming out 3, kids. Everyone got trapped. Everyone got trapped. Now 3 hydrogens, 2 hydrogens, 5 hydrogens. So the value of Y is coming out 5. So the sum will come out 8. How many of you got trapped? Just see the definition. Carbon attached to one more carbon, only carbon, no other atom. You have to see carbon only. Now why you got trapped? You have seen atoms. There it was written carbon attached to one more carbon or no other carbon. Carbon means carbon, not any atom. Kids, got it or not? If yes, show me the green signal. If you got it, kids, your understanding is my priority. I will feel accomplished if you are getting it. Show me the green signal if you got it, kids. If you are getting benefited, kids, if you are learning new things, if your concept clarity, you are getting the concept clarity, kids, do let me know. Thank you, Sahana, Gagana, everyone. Now, in the same way, I will tell you 2 degree carbon, 3 degree carbon and 4 degree carbon. Just see. Now, 2 degree carbon, just see to it. Secondary carbon, that is 2 degree carbon. Once again I will write the same thing, and do remember carbon, what I will write? Attached with two more carbons. And hydrogen attached to this. 2-degree carbon is known as 2-degree hydrogen. If you see this definition, then I will give question. Once again, everyone see this question, then I will frame out question. Have you seen, kids? So, see the question. If question is X is equal to number of 2-degree carbon and Y is equal to number of 2-degree hydrogens, then find out X plus Y. The compound is given like this. Yes, your time starts now. Your time starts now. I will wait in the chat section what answer given by you, kids. Let's see who is going to be the winner. I'm waiting for your answer. Let's see who is going to be the winner. Who is going to be the winner, kids? I'm waiting for your answer in the chat section, kids. Everyone. Baba is waiting for your answer. And kids, hit the like button, smash the like button. If you have not done till now, make it 50. Let's see the answer, kids. Call your friends. I will make concept very clear. These are the very, very basic kids where most often people are doing mistakes. So till now I haven't got any answer, kids. Till now I haven't got any answer. Fast, kids, fast. Sahana has written 16. Let's see what others. Sukhdev, Chaitanya, 16. So see, kids, today you will learn a lot. You will learn a lot. Now see, kids. Everyone is going for 16 and they are writing like that. They are pro. Now see, kids. If I draw this compound, its name is naphthalene. They can give you in the exam naphthalene also. They cannot give, it's not necessary they are going to give the structure always. So remember that. What is the name of this compound? Naphthalene. Naphthalene balls. You must have seen your house. Now, this is 3-degree carbon. This is also 3-degree carbon, right? This is your 2-degree carbon, 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 2-degree carbon. Agreed or not, my dear friends? These have been 2-degree carbons. Now, if you check their valency, if you check out their valencies, already 3 valencies got occupied. Only you can place how many hydrogens, my dear friends, just to let me know. Only you can place how many hydrogens. I want to see your answer, kids. Do let me know. You can place just 1 hydrogen on each carbon. That's it. So simple. So now you will say, oh my God, what has happened? So 4 plus 4, oh, ho, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. Oh, your answer is right. Kids, your answer is right. Oh, my dear, you have given the correct answer. So, the value of x is coming out 8 and the value of y is also coming out 8. 8 and 8, 16. Oh, you are smart people. Your answer is found to be absolutely correct. So, Baba will clap. Well, a huge round of applause for every one of you kids. Really awesome. Really awesome. Hey, really awesome. That's really fantastic, kids. You are genius. You're genius. You're winner. Now, after this, Baba is going to explain tertiary carbon and then I will give you a question. Right, kids? After tertiary carbon, Baba will give you a question. Should I, kids? Should I? Now see, kids. Tertiary carbon. What should I write? Carbon attached with three more carbons and hydrogen attached to it is known as tertiary hydrogen, right? So the question is, kids, just wait, kids. This is known as anthracene. What? Anthracene, kids. What? Anthracene. Now you have to find out x is equal to and y is equal to 3-degree carbon and 3-degree hydrogens, and the sum of x plus y you have to find out. Baba is going to wait for your answer. Let's see who is going to give the correct answer, kids. Let me check it out in the chat section. Who is going to get the correct answer? Fast, fast, kids, fast. Let me check it out. Who is going to give the correct answer, my dear students? Yes, yes, fast. Let me check it out. Who is going to give the correct answer? Yes, gets 4 plus 4. Sahana has written 4 plus 4. And Eagle's Eye, that 4 plus 4, 8. So let me check it out. Let me check it out whether your answer is right or wrong, kids. So see everyone. It's like this, right? Now see, this is 2 degree, 2 degree, 2 degree, 2 degree. This is 2 degree, 2 degree. This is 2 degree, 2 degree, 2 degree, 2 degree. So 3 degree are definitely this is your 3 degree, 3 degree, 3 degree and 3 degree. So they are 3 degree carbons because they are attached to 3 more carbons, right? There are 3 degree carbons. So the value of X is equal to how much? 4. But if you check it out, that this 3 degree carbon is already having 4 valency. Already having 4 valency. So without hydrogen, am I right, kids? No 3 degree hydrogen is there. So the value of Y will come out 0. Once again you got trapped, got failed. Have you learned something new, kids? Do let me know in the chat section. You got trapped or not? You got trapped or not? Have you learned something new, kids? Do let me know. Do let me know, my dear students. Do let me know. Do let me know that Baba's content quality is very good or not, kids. Quality is very good or not. Now, if I give you last the quaternary one, today you are getting absolutely awesome content, kids. Baba is always giving you content. Now quaternary carbon. Quaternary means what, kids? That is 4 degree carbon. No 4 degree hydrogen is there. So carbon attached with what, kids? Carbon attached with 4 more carbons. Now if I say that quaternary hydrogen doesn't exist, right or wrong? Am I right or not, kids? Absolutely right. Now, after telling you all these things, if I give you a very simple question, okay? Very simple question. Just see to it. Question is, let's see who can give the correct answer. Question is, find out primary carbons number in isooctane, number in isooctane, isooctane. So find out, kids, and do let me know what's your answer. Isooctane. I'm waiting for your answer. Then I will let you know what is isooctane. Then you will come to know what is going on and what's the quality content. What does it mean, kids? Yes, kids. Everyone, do let me know what. Find out primary carbon's number in isooctane. Let me check it out whether you are going to get the correct answer or not, kids. Everyone, I'm waiting for your answer. Should I tell you or should I wait? Should I tell you or should I wait, kids? Now, see to it, kids. Isooctane doesn't follow rules. Isooctane doesn't follow rules. First of all, remember that. Isooctane doesn't follow rules. Doesn't follow rules. Now I will tell you what are the rules, but first of all, let me write down isooctane. CH3, CH3, CH2, CH3, CH3 and CH3. This is isooctane. First of all, remember that. This is isooctane, kids. Always remember that. You have to keep in your brain, this is isooctane. Now, in isooctane, this is primary carbon, this is primary carbon, this is primary carbon, this is primary carbon, and this is primary carbon. The rest of others, if you see, this is your tertiary carbon, this is your secondary carbon, and this is quaternary carbon. So they have asked, find out primary carbon number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 5. Now, kids, those who don't know this thing, their answer might be wrong. Why, kids? Let me tell you what is isoalkane. So see, types of alkanes. The heading is types of alkanes. And in types of alkanes, let me tell you, isoalkane and neoalkane. Isoalkane, neoalkane, so first thing I am going to deal with isoalkane, and just see to it, kids. What is required for isoalkane? The compulsory part is 1 CH and 2 methyl on CH. This is the necessary part. Remember that. This is the necessary part. Compound should have this much. This is the necessary part. And rest R, this R is alkyl, unbranched alkyl, unbranched. Unbranched alkyl. Now let me tell you, unbranched alkyl means what? Suppose if I write like this the compulsory part first. CH, CH3, CH3, and if I write down here methyl, so how to write down its name? This is the compulsory part, so it is iso. I will write iso. Now how many carbon? 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 4. Don't count in the parent chain. Total carbons. So here you will write total number of carbons. So 4. So I will say isobutane. If this part clear, kids, till now it's clear. See, isobutane. Why I have written isobutane, kids? This much is iso. So I will say iso. 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons. So I will write butane. Is it clear to each and everyone till now? Till now this part is clear, kids. Now see, if I write down like this, CH, CH3, CH3, this is the compulsory part. CH2, CH3, what will you say? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, isopentane. Now if I write down like this, CH, CH3, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. This much part is iso. Just see iso. 3, 4, 5, 6. Isohexane. Now if I write down like this, CH, CH3, CH3, CH2, 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 and CH3. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Isoheptane. Now, with the help of this knowledge, everyone draw isooctane like this. They will draw isooctane like this. CH, CH3, CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. So my dear friend, this is not isooctane. They will give you 0 marks. So remember that this is a wrong structure of isooctane. This is wrong. So what is being correct answer? CH, CH3, CH3, CH2, C, CH3, CH3, and CH3. So see, here the branching has taken place. Branching has taken place. And in the starting they said no branching. So branching took place, kids. Branching took place, but this is isooctane. Remember that. So you have to mug it up, cram it, then only. Otherwise you must have given 1, 2, 3. Your answer would have gone wrong, kids. This is wrong. How many of you got it? Do let me know in the chat section. How many of you got it? How many of you got it? Kids, Baba is giving you quality content and Baba is trying to tell you each and everything, kids. Everyone do let me know that how many of you are getting it, kids. Show me some green signal if you are really liking it, if you are really enjoying it. Now, Siraj Singh, welcome, welcome, welcome. Now, let me tell you new ones. New alkane. Just see to it. Now in this world only 2 neo are there. Only 2 neos are possible. CH3, 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 CH2. This is the basic condition for neo. Now, here R can be only 2 possibilities. R can be hydrogen if hydrogen, and R can be methyl. Only 2 neos are there in this world. Only 2 neo. Only 2 neos are possible. If I put there hydrogen, then 5 carbons, then I will say neopentane. Neopentane. And if I put R is equal to methyl, I will say neohexane. Neohexane. Only 2 neos are possible in this world. Only 2 neos are possible, right? Now, if examiner is asking how many primary, okay, see question, let me give question. You have to answer it correctly, kids. Question is, find out sum of X and Y. X is equal to 1 degree carbon, Y is equal to 1 degree hydrogens. Compound's name is given isopentane. So what should be your answer? Let me see the answer. Let me check it out in the chat section. What's your answer, kids? Do let me know in the chat section what's your answer, kids. Let me see, kids, what's your answer fast. Everyone, I hope that you are enjoying the lecture, everyone, kids. Along with the answer, write down you are enjoying the lecture, because I'm teaching like pro. I'm giving quality content to each and every one of you, my dear students. Really, I'm giving my best for each and every one of you, kids. Now, so let's see what's the correct answer. We have to understand what is neopentane. Oh, isopentane I have given. Isopentane, okay. So see, isopentane is like this. So let's see, this carbon is 1 degree, this carbon is 1 degree, this is 2 degree, this is 2 degree, and this is 1 degree. So they have asked 1 degree carbon, 1, 2, and 3. So this is 3, and 1 degree hydrogen, 3, 3, 6, and 9. 9 plus 3 will come out 12. Agreed? Everyone agreed? This is the answer, kids. Do let me know. This is the answer. Hey, everyone, just do let me know. Got it? Everyone got it? So, 12 is the answer. Now, question, if they are asking this question, see, kids, how many types of question is, see, very good question. How many types of carbon and hydrogens are there in isopentane, no, neopentane. This is your compound, kids, in neopentane. So just to let me know the answer. I'm waiting for your answer, kids. If you are really able to understand, then you will give the correct answer. So let's see who is going to give the correct answer, kids. Let me see to it. This time, who is going to give the correct answer? Yes, kids, yes. 1 degree and 4 degree. No, question is how many types of carbons? Not the name. How many types of carbons and how many types of hydrogens? Sahana? So kids, your answer will be what? Your answer will be, so see, neopentane is like this. Carbon, CH3, 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 CH3. So how many types of carbons? 2 types of carbons. The answer will be 2 types of carbon because 1 degree, 1 degree, 1 degree, 1 degree and 4 degree. So 2 types of carbons. Am I right, kids? And if I say how many types of hydrogens? 1 type of hydrogen. This should be your answer. Satisfied or not with my answer, kids? Do let me know. Agreed or not with my answer? Everyone do let me know. Agreed or not with my answer? Now, after this, let me tell you very, very interesting thing, kids. That types of alkanes. Right now I have told you types of alkanes. Once again I will tell you types of alkanes because this question most frequently asked. One is N-alkane. N means normal alkane. Normal. What do you mean by normal? Hey, are you normal? Now, another type is isoalkane. This already I have explained. Another type is neoalkane. These two I have already explained, kids. Now the question arises, what is normal alkane? So let's take an example. C5H12. This will help you a lot because it holds a whole lot of weightage. Now see, kids. Normal alkane, if I write, I will write it down like this. CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. Why this is normal? It is straight chain, straight chain, straight chain. Normal N-alkane, straight chain. So it is normal. No branching is there. You can say no branching. Without branching, kids. Without branching. Are you getting my point? Without branching, kids. Is it clear? Now, the question arises, sir, you have explained very well the types of alkanes. Can you explain the type of alkyls? Alkyls. How many of you are ready to understand types of alkyls? Show me some fire in the chat section. I want to see some fire in the chat section. Then I will explain types of alkyls and then I will frame out question, kids. Then I will frame out question. Types of alkyl. You know what is alkyl? That this is alkane, CnH2n plus 2 is alkane. If I remove one hydrogen, then CnH2n plus 1, this is your alkyl. Now first of all, try to understand. Suppose if I say this is CH3, if I remove one hydrogen, then it will become CH3, CH2 like this, or it can be written like C2H5 like this, or some people write it like this. All three means same and they are known as ethyl. What you will say, kids? Ethyl, ethyl, ethyl. Now, what are the ways in which you can write alkyl groups? Baba is going to tell you, kids. Just see. N-alkyl, isoalkyl, tertiary alkyl, tertiary alkyl. Tertiary alkyl. One more is there that I will explain. One more is there, that is secondary alkyl. Sec or secondary alkyl. So these type are there, kids. And these are very confusing if you are not having the proper knowledge. So if you want to get proper knowledge, I want to see, wow, let's see in the chat section how many of you are interested. Yeah, my chat is slow. Yeah. Sahana, you are right. So everyone, show me some fire in the chat section so that my chat should become fast and I can understand what you are writing, kids. Just I will take few more minutes and yes, now it has become fast, kids. Now, yes, now I can see each and everything. Thank you, Sebelos, thank you, Sahana, thank you. Now see, let me explain with the help of example. Let me take example like C5H11, right? C5H11. So N-alkyl, if I want to write N-alkyl, I can write like this: CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2 and CH2. This is N-pentyl. I will say its name is N-pentyl, normal pentyl, right? Now iso, I have told you for iso, this is the compulsory thing, kids. 2-methyl on 1CH, CH2 and CH2. This is isopentyl. If you are getting it, write down yes, you are able to understand. Isopentyl. Now tertiary alkyl. For tertiary, CH3, CH3, CH3. Now it should be over here, so I will write down like CH2, CH3, 3, 4, 5 carbon. This is tertiary. Now what do you mean by secondary? Secondary means that CH3, CH, CH2, CH3. Now people will ask, sir, what's the difference in between iso and secondary? Just see, for iso this much is compulsory thing. It should be this much should be present. But you see, if you remove 2 degree hydrogen, this is 2 degree carbon, so hydrogen has been removed, but this is isobutyl. No, I will say it is, sorry, secondary butyl, sec-butyl, but I have taken pentyl, so I will write like this: CH3, CH, CH2, CH2, CH3. So this is sec-pentyl, secondary pentyl or sec-pentyl. If this much is clear, kids, do let me know. Everyone, do let me know. If everyone this is clear, just do let me know that yes sir, we are able to understand all these simple things. Sukhdev and Sahana, really thanks kids. You are my army, you are HSP and army, and you are giving motivation, energy to me. Movers Baba HSP, thank you kids. Now I will ask questions based on how many sigma and pi bonds. Are you ready? For 10 minutes I will ask how many sigma and pi bonds are there in the compound. Okay, questions based on sigma and pi bond. Are you ready, kids? Questions based on what? Questions on number of sigma and pi bonds. Are you going to accept this challenge? I will give you 10 questions on number of sigma and pi bonds. Let's see how much you are going to score. I've already taught you how to see sigma and pi bonds, right? So, everyone, are you ready? So see, question is, calculate number of sigma bonds in anthracene. Now kids, right now if you don't know the structure of anthracene, I will help you, but till examination you should know what is anthracene. Benzene, naphthalene, anthracene. This is your anthracene. So what's your answer? I want to see in the chat section what's your answer, kids. Yes, do let me know. This is a question number 1 based on sigma bonds. Calculate number of sigma bonds in anthracene. Let's see, kids. I'm waiting for your answer, kids. Let's see who is going to win this race. Yes, kids, yes. Baba is waiting for your answer. Who will give? Sahana has given 26. Swallow has gone for 7. Let's see who is going to give the correct answer, kids. Baba is waiting for your answer, kids. Now 7 pi. I'm not asking pi. Dinesh, only sigma bonds. Let's see. Sahana and Sukhdev is going for 26. Let me check it out whether 26 is the correct answer or incorrect answer. Let's see, kids. So, now, just see, kids. These are the hydrogens. Am I right, kids? Now, first carbon to carbon sigma bonds, let me calculate. Let me count from here. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16, right? Am I right? 16. Carbon to carbon sigma bonds, I am getting 16. Now let me count for carbon and hydrogen. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Oh my God. Kids, you are genius. And first answer given by Sahana and then Sukhdev. I am going to really put huge round of applause, Sahana and Sukhdev. Sahana, how you got it? Sukhdev, kids, Baba has taken this much of time. Carbon to carbon 16 and carbon to hydrogen how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Carbon to hydrogen 10. 10 plus 16, 26. Absolutely awesome. Absolutely awesome. Now another question. Question is, calculate total number of covalent bonds What do you mean by total number of covalent bond? Means sum of sigma and pi in phenolphthalein. The structure of phenolphthalein is like this, kids. Thank you, Sahana. Thank you, Sukhdev. Kiran Pathak, welcome, welcome, Kiran. You got late, Kiran. everyone like, hit the like button kids. किरण जी कोई नहीं, अब कर लो, no problem, no problem. Sahana is going for 41. That's really awesome. That's really awesome. कोई बात नहीं, no problem. Now see kids, now see. Sahana, really awesome. Your answer is absolutely correct. Really, you are doing fantastic job. Now see, if I say this is your benzene kids, just make it simple. If this is your benzene kids, 6 sigma bonds, can you see 6 sigma bonds, and 6 these sigma bonds, carbon to hydrogen. Can you see benzene is having how many sigma bonds kids? It will become really very simple if you count like this. Your work will become simplest. Now carbon to carbon 6 sigma bonds, carbon to hydrogen 6 sigma bonds, and 12 sigma bonds and 3 pi bonds. Can you see 3 pi bonds clearly? 1 pi bond, 1 pi bond, 1 pi bond. So 3 pi bonds. So total 15 covalent bonds. Total 15 covalent bonds in this kids. Now see, if I say these are 15, these are being 15, these are being 15, so 15 3 ja 45. Now 46, 47, 48, 49, 50 and 51. So I think Sahana, you have given answer for sigma bonds, right? So sigma bonds are how many? 41 sigma bonds and 10 pi bonds. 41 sigma and 10 pi bonds, right kids? 41 sigma plus 10 pi bonds, so the answer is 51. Have you understood? Did you understand kids? Did you understand? Everyone just to let me know. Have you understood? Now kids, should I give you 15 minutes break and then I will let you know the hybridization and then the class will get over. So should I give you 15 minutes break? Write down yes, then only I will give 15 minutes break, and then after that I will tell you hybridization kids. Agreed? Okay. Thank you kids. Thank you. Now 15 minutes break. After that I will let you know hybridization. After that, the next thing will be hybridization. I will tell you hybridization basics. Because after some time you need some screen off, right? After that I will tell you what I have written over there, just to let me know what I have written over there. Let me know what I have written over here. Basics of hybridization. So 15 minutes break, right kids? Let's meet after 15 minutes. 15:15. Hey everyone, Baba is back. Just to let me know. Can you hear me? Can you see me? If yes, show me some green signal in the chat section, kids. All my dear students, just to let me know in the chat section, can you hear me? Can you see me? Baba is very punctual. So let me check it out in the chat section that everyone, can you hear me? Can you see me? Yes, Sahana, very good student, punctual student. Those who are new, please hit the like button, smash the like button so that, okay, Tamil. This batch is for everyone, kids, for everyone. Now, let me tell you the basics of hybridization. Hybridization used in organic chemistry. Hybridization important for organic chemistry. Basics of hybridization. Frequently used in your organic chemistry. Okay, kids. Okay, now see, kids. Just remember, I will tell you two ways, two types. Whenever you are getting compound like carbon single bond carbon, single bond carbon will always be sp3 hybridized, sp3. When you are getting carbon double bond carbon, sp2. Carbon triple bond carbon, sp. Remember that, sp, kids, sp. This is the basic. Now, my dear friends, single bonded carbon is sp3. Remember that. Single bonded carbon must be sp3. Now, you must be thinking about steric number, kids. I will just take half an hour more, whatever the time this hybridization is going to take. Double bonded carbon will be sp2 and triply bonded carbon will be, kids, sp. Now, kids, let me tell you this same thing with the help of steric number. You must have studied, those who have studied steric number, they must be thinking how to get it through steric number. Kids, see, through steric number. What do you mean by steric number? That is number of sigma bonds plus number of localized lone pairs. Now, my dear students, this you will study later on. What is meaning of localized? This you will study later on. Means those who are not taking part in resonance. Localized means not taking part in resonance. Localized means not doing or not taking part in resonance. Now, this thing let me make more clear, kids. Just see to it. If I say compound is given like this: C H H H and H. You can see this carbon is bonded with how many sigma bonds? 4 sigma bonds. And in the outermost orbit, carbon was having only 4 electrons. So no lone pair is left. So steric number will come out 4 sigma plus 0 lone pair 4. Whenever something is coming out 4, so you know that S is having only 1 orbital and P is having 3, so sp3. This sum will come out S1 plus 3, 4. Now see, if I write down carbon like this, double bonded carbon, which I have told you sp2, you can do it like this also. Just see only one carbon, this carbon, 1 sigma, 2 sigma, this is pi, upper one pi or lower one, 1 is sigma, 1 is pi. So how many sigma? This carbon is attached with 3 sigma, no lone pair, 3 plus 0. So I will say sp2. In this way also you can say the hybridization, you can account for a hybridization. Now see, if I write down CH, triple bond CH, so this is 1 sigma, this is 1 sigma, rest 2 are pi, pi and pi. So 2 plus 0, that is 2. So its hybridization is sp. Clear? Either you can say double bonded carbon is sp2. You can directly write down it is sp2. Single bonded is sp3. And triple bonded is sp. Directly you can learn it, or you can find out through the steric number. Choice is yours, but you should know what is the hybridization and how to calculate the hybridization. Now, what is the effect of hybridization? How it is going to change the electronegativity? Basics, very basics, right? See kids. If I draw these 3 compounds, just see. CH3, CH3, just see kids. Carbon-carbon bond length, because this is sp3 hybridized, as I have told you, sp3 hybridized. So carbon-carbon bond length will come out how much, kids? If you remember, then do let me know. Otherwise, just try to learn it. Carbon-carbon bond length, because examiner will ask 1.54 angstrom. Now, because the hybridization is sp3, the percentage of S character is how much? Percentage of S character. Kids, how to find out percentage of S character? Just see. If you divide, you are having pizza. Just say, I'm having pizza. And I have to divide this pizza in 4 parts. 4 parts. I'm supposed to divide this pizza in 4 parts. Now, the people are, 1 is S and 3 are P. 3 Priyanka and 1 Sambhu. Sambhu is getting this much part of pizza, Sambhu, S. And rest of the part of pizza is eaten by Priyanka. Priyanka is eating this much. This is Priyanka, kids. Priyanka, and this is Shambhu. Shambhu is getting only this much. Now, how much percentage Shambhu has got? 1/4. 1/4 I can write, or I can write 25%. So percentage of S character is just 25%. Means maximum is P. P means the electron is far away from the nucleus, and S means electron is attracted towards the nucleus. So the electronegativity of this carbon is 2.5, because less is the S character, less will be electronegativity. So I can say electronegativity of central atom is directly proportional to bond angle and directly proportional to percentage of S character. Now see kids, the bond angle is 109 degree. You know tetrahedral is 109 degree 28 inches, right? Now if I write down the same thing from ethene, just see to it what you will get. What you will get, just see kids. And I will compare also kids. I will write comparative study, just see to it kids. Just 10 to 20 minutes more kids, just 10 minutes more, right? So this here I have written ethane. Its bond length I have told you. Now here I am going to write ethene kids. And here I am going to write ethyne. Just see kids. If I am saying that it is sp3, I am saying its electronegativity is 2.5. Here I am saying it is sp2, percentage of character increased. So bond angle will also get increased 120 degree and bond length will get decreased 1.34 angstrom, 1.54 angstrom. Now if I write here, you can see sp, the bond angle increased 180 degree. The electronegativity also got increased. It was 2.5 only. Its electronegativity was 2.5. Its electronegativity is 2.75. Both the two carbons 2.75. Here both the two carbons 2.5. Here both the two carbons 3.25. This carbon is more electronegative. Carbon has become more electronegative than nitrogen. Carbon has become more electronegative than hydrogen. See kids, just see to it. This carbon has become even more electronegative than hydrogen. So what I said, more is the bond angle. Percentage of S character, if I say here, percentage of S character is how much? Percentage of S character is 25% over here. Then the percentage, pizza is divided in 3 people. So 33.33% percentage of S character, and there 50% S character. So electronegativity, what sense we are getting? The sense we are getting from all these things that electronegativity is not fixed. Electronegativity changes with electronegativity of an atom is not fixed. It changes with the change in surrounding. That surrounding is what? Surrounding is hybridization. Gets clear? This point is clear to each and everyone. Just to let me know. First of all, let me see the chat. Is this point clear, kids? Wow, Sukhdev and Sahana, they are very, very good students. See, everyone, these are dedicated students. This is required for selection, kids. This is the most important thing, my dear students. This is the most important thing. So should I give you question? Are you ready for the question, kids? Now see, I am going to give you one question. Are you ready? Are you ready? See the question. Question is, what is the hybridization of second carbon? In, so the compound is CH3, C triple bond CH, CH2, CH double bond CH, CH3. I'm giving you the options. Option A, sp3. Option B, sp. Option C, sp2. Option D, none of these. Now let me check it out. Who is going to give correct answer? Now it's the question answer time. I will ask number of questions. Now chat is running fast. Sahana is going for SP. Let me see other students, what answer they are going to give, kids. I will wait for everyone's answer. Whatever I taught you, I will give number of questions based on that, so that your concept clarity will be there. So, kids, everyone got failed. Every one of you got failed. Every one of you got failed. Now, ask me why. Each and every one got failed. Now, ask me why, kids. Ask me why. Just ask me why. See, kids, this is the organic compound. Now, from where you have to do the numbering, this is double bond, this is triple bond. Double bond is coming on second, triple bond is coming on second. So, numbering rule got failed, locant rule got failed. Alphabetically, we have to count. So, this is first carbon, this is second, this is third, this is fourth, this is fifth, this is sixth, this is seventh. Even though you know each and everything, but also then also you got failed. So second carbon is this one, not that one. So sp3, my dear students, sp2, sp2, sp3, one hydrogen should not be over here, this hydrogen, sp, sp, and sp3. Am I right, kids? So this question was really awesome. Just do let me know in the chat section you enjoyed this question or not. Everyone enjoyed this question or not, kids? You got what mistake is done by you, kids? Now, let me ask another question. Question number 2. Just see to it, everyone. Question is, how many carbons are sp2 hybridized in naphthalene? What is naphthalene? This is naphthalene, kids. Options are 12, 10, 8, 6. Let me see in the chat what answer you are going to give, kids. I'm waiting for your answer. Yes, it happens, Sahana. Shruti Blessy, welcome. Sukhdev, just to let me know what's your answer, kids. Fast. Yes. Sahana is going for 10. Let's see other students. Right. Kids, 10 is the correct answer because all carbons are doubly bonded. All carbons are doubly bonded means there are total 10 carbons, 6 and then 4. So 10 is the absolutely correct answer, kids. Now, second question. Before I move towards second question, I want to show you something, kids. Those who are new. Kids, this class I'm taking for Nimbus Pro Batch. Really awesome team, fantastic team. Team of 4 teachers, the best teachers to teach in English. Matchless teachers. Yombika ma'am, the best in bio. Wazin sir, chemistry, really awesome. Physics by Yava sir. And you can get enrolled in this batch just for rupees 5,499. You can help your colleagues, your friends, your relatives, your seniors, your juniors kids. Only for 5,499. Nimbus Pro Batch. NEET 2026 batch by Team Avengers. The best team kids. Right? You can spread this message to all required students. It's a humble request because sharing is caring, and if you are helping others, Almighty God is going to help you a lot. Now, next question, kids. Question is, how many minimum carbon atoms are required A for isoalkyl, B for isoalkane. So I will give you options, right? So option A is 3 and 4 respectively. B is 3 and 3 respectively. C is 4 and 4 respectively. D is none of these. So do let me know what's your correct answer, kids, for this question. I'm waiting for your answer. Yes, kids, do let me know. Only 10 minutes more. All the questions will get completed, kids. Vani from Kashmir. Welcome, welcome. So let's see what answer you are going to give, kids. Do let me know, kids. Only 10 minutes more, all the questions will get completed. Wow, Shruti Blessy. Wow. A. Sukadev, you are really great. I would like to say like Sahana, Shruti, Sukadev is great. So the correct answer is definitely given by Sukadev. Just see. If you want to frame out isoalkyl, that the smallest isoalkyl is, kids, smallest isoalkyl. For isoalkyl you can say the smallest isoalkyl, smallest isoalkyl is isopropyl, kids. Remember that, isopropyl. This is the smallest isoalkyl, and smallest isoalkane is isobutane. So for isobutane you need 4 carbons. And isopropyl you need 3 carbons. Gets clear? Is it clear to each and every one of you, kids? Do let me know. So the correct answer is A. Claps for Sukhdev. Absolutely correct answer. Now another question. Just see, these are quality questions, kids. Question is, find out number of secondary hydrogens in the following. Tertiary butyl, tertiary butyl. In this, you are supposed to find out number of secondary hydrogens. Gets your time starts now. Yes, kids. Let's see. Let me see in the chat section who is going to get the correct answer. Yes, Fani Ram, these are equally good for J. advance, because Baba is taking classes for JEE at Jaipur, offline also. Now, who is going to give the correct answer, kids? Fast, fast, make it out fast. Let's see who is going to give the correct answer. Only 8 minutes are left, kids. After that, class will get over. Everyone, make it out fast. I want to see your answer, kids. Who is going to give the correct answer? That kid is going to get chocolate from Baba. Ventilak, Faniram, fantastic, but I want, and kids, those who are new, hit the like button. At least make it 70, kids. Let's see, are you able to make it 70 or not? Kids. Now, let's see, find out number of secondary hydrogens in tertiary butyl. So, tertiary butyl is like this: CH3, CH3, CH3. Now, see, this carbon is primary, this carbon is primary, this carbon is primary, and this is tertiary. There is no secondary carbon, so no secondary hydrogen. Answer is 0. Why it is being 0, kids? Why it is being 0? There is no secondary carbon. So there is no secondary hydrogen. Am I right, kids? Am I absolutely correct? Very good, very good. Everyone has given the correct answer. That's really awesome. Now, next question. Question is, find out DBE in. Whatever I taught today, I am giving you questions only from that. Compound is given like this: NHCOCH3. The name of this compound is acetoanilide. Acetoanilide. This is the starting, so I have written the compound as well as compound's name. A option 5, B option 4, C option 3, D option 2, E option 1. Let's see who is going to give the correct answer for this compound. Let's see, kids. Everyone, do let me know. And whenever anyone is doing spamming my dear students, then always try to put more messages, means emojis, so that the one who is spamming won't be able to put the messages, or you won't be able to see the messages sent by that spammer. Now, what's the answer, kids, for this question? Now only 3 minutes left. After that, class will get over. All the questions based on this, I've told you, kids. Let's see, kids. Sahana is going for A, and I got the correct answer. Claps. This is the correct answer. Absolutely correct. Mind blowing. Because acetanilide, you can draw it like this. This is your acetanilide. Hey everyone. Now see, if I say this is one ring plus 3 pi bonds, so 4, and this is one more pi bond, so overall we can say one ring plus 4 pi bonds, right kids? One ring plus 4 pi bonds will come out to be 5. Clear kids? This is very true. This is right kids. Now another question is, total number of sp2 hybridized carbons in this compound So here is the compound and I am giving the options. Ten, 8, 6, 4. Let's see who is going to give the correct answer, kids. Let me check it out in the comment section, kids. Okay, let me see who is going to give the correct answer, kids. Sahana is going for B, that's 8. And kids, those who are new, please smash the like button, hit the like button, at least make it 70. It's only 67 number of kids they are watching. But B, Sukhdev is also going for B. So let me see whether B is the correct answer or not, kids. Let's see. These are 6 sp2 hybridized. This is 7, 8 and 9, I think. Oh my god, kids, that's missing in the option. So I have to create one more option, special option, that is E. It's 9. 9 is the correct answer because it is also attached with pi bond. Kids, see, 6, 7, 8, 9. Am I right, kids? So answer is coming out 9, my dear friends. That was not given in the option, but yes, it's 9. Now kids, this is all about today's class. Now once again, at the last, I would like to say, kids, you can help people by spreading out this message, kids. by telling out, by conveying, because sharing is caring, kids. If you are helping others, number of people are there, those who are not having this much of money, and even they are having money, kids, they won't get this best team. This is the best team, my dear friends. And this best team is available just for rupees 5,499 if you go for the offline coaching. They're charging more than 1 lakh rupees, 2 lakh rupees just for 1 year, kids. Even I'm teaching at Jaipur Center for IIT. And you are getting online this batch just for rupees 5,499. At least you can help others. You can help yourself by getting enrolled in this batch, kids. Now, you can help your classmates, your relatives, your seniors, your juniors, because sharing is caring. And if you're really helping out others, Almighty God is going to help you. Mark my words, kids. That's why people say sharing is caring, and I mean it. And you just see, this is Phoenix Pro. You can read it out. I'm not going to tell you each and everything over here. If you want to see, you can see to it. Now, I would like to say Phoenix batch. That was your class 11th Nimbus batch. But this is Phoenix Pro batch, kids. This is for everyone. Means if you are class 12 pass out, then I would like to say Dreamer Droppers. Dreamer Droppers batch students can get enrolled over here. Class 12th students can get enrolled over here. Definitely that batch is for class 11th. Even those who want to improve their class 11th. Now you will say, sir, whether to join Nimbus batch or this batch, if your dropper, your 11th is not clear. So in this Phoenix Pro batch, we will teach each and everything, means all the concept from the scratch for the first rank for all the students. Means in this Phoenix Pro batch, we will complete the whole syllabus of class 11th and 12th, entire syllabus with each and everything, with the best examples, the whole 11th and 12th. This is for class 12th students as well as dropper students. And this is just available for 5,499 rupees only. So my dear students, 11th class, 12th class, each and everything we are giving over here, kids. Now, will you share it to everyone, kids? Just to let me know, will you share? Because your small help can change anyone's life. So, my dear students, this is all for today. We'll meet you in another class. Till that time, I would like to say bye from Baba HSP and from the entire team. My dear students, I will bring quality content just like this. Today I have focused on double bond equivalent. Beginning of the hybridization that is required for organic chemistry. Sigma bond, pi bond, isoalkane, neoalkane. These are the basics where people are getting trapped, and what are the things most confusing. People are thinking it's like idiyappam, murukku, means both the terms means confusing terms, confusing words, confusing things. So I've tried my level best, kids, to make it romba sulbam. To make it romba sulbam means to make it more clear, and you should feel the feeling like wow. And in Tamil, this is known as what it is said, Nirukku. Okay? Okay, kids? Bye, kids. Bye. Bye. Thank you. Thank you. Sure. Sahana, Shruti, Wesley. Everyone, thank you. Thank you.